What's up, everybody? So welcome to the garage. This channel is dedicated to everything DIY. So a lot of tutorials, a lot of how-tos. Of course, it is going to be in a garage setting for the most part, but it's not limited to just the garage. We have a dedicated channel for the car specific stuff, but I really want to focus on tool reviews, simple DIY projects, whether it's around the house or in the garage. A lot of different cool things are going to be going on. We're always fixing stuff, always improving stuff, always repairing stuff. So we're going to show you tools that are helpful to get job done, how to do simple DIYs yourself, and a lot of instructional videos. So if you guys are interested in the cars in the background, check out, and I'll link it above, some of those videos where we've taken these cars from completes. This one was actually a salvage vehicle. This one was a project vehicle that we started off from a completely stock Viper, built it up. But again, this channel is going to be dedicated to tool reviews and some of the stuff that we use to get the job done and work on these vehicles. So anyways, you guys, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, buckle down for the ride. I promise it's going to be interesting, a lot of helpful content, and a lot more on the way. Anyways, you guys, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.